students, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn Roman numbers in the easiest way. By the end of this video you will understand all the rules and be able to convert any number into Roman numerals like a pro. So let's get started. So these are basic Roman numeral symbols. Each symbol has fixed value. For 1 there is I, for V, so for 5 there is V, for 10 there is X, 50 is represented by L, 100 is represented by C, 500 is by D and 1000 is by M. All Roman numbers are built using these symbols. So these are the most important symbols. You have to learn these symbols only. IVX, then LCD, then M. So these are the Roman numbers from 1 to 10. And we are going to cover few rules about the Roman numbers in this series. So rule number 1 is there is no symbol for 0. So in Roman numerals there is no symbol for 0. This is rule number 1. Rule number 2 says, this is repetition rule. The symbols I, X, C, M. This symbol can be repeated 3 times. Okay, I is for 1, X is for 10, C is for 100 and M is for 1000. So if I am repeating I twice, this will represent 2. If I am repeating I thrice, 3 times, this will represent 3. Same way X is for 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10. C, 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. And M, 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, which is 3000. So these symbols we can repeat maximum 3 times. And the symbols V, L, D. These symbols we are never repeating because these values are already big, so we are not, so no need to repeat them. So rule number 2 is repetition rule. Rule number 3 is addition rule. Addition rule says if a smaller or equal number comes after the bigger one, we are adding. For example, VI. If this smaller number or equal number comes after the bigger number, then we are adding. V is for 5 and I is for 1. This smaller number is coming after this bigger number, so we are adding. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. So VI is for 6. Another example is LXII. L is for 50, X is for 10. This smaller number is coming after 50, so we will add 50 plus 10, 60. II, 1 plus 1, 2, 60 plus 2. So LXII will become 62. XV. X is for 10, V is for 5. And this smaller number is coming right side to the X. So we will add 10 plus 5 will become 15. So XV is for 15. That way we are finding the value. Rule number 4 is subtraction rule. Subtraction rule says if a smaller numeral comes before the larger number, we are subtracting it. For example, IV. If a smaller number is coming left side to the number, we are subtracting. V is for 5, I is for 1. Okay. So we are subtracting. Means 5 minus 1 is 4. So IV is for 4. I will give you another example. IX. X is for 10, I is for 1. I is left side to the 10. So it will become 10 minus 1 is 9. In the subtraction rule, we have some allowed subtraction pairs. First one is I comes before V, I comes before X comes before L, X comes before C comes before D, and C comes before M. So these are the allowed pair. And a few pairs are not allowed. For example, I cannot come before L, C, D and M. So this is not allowed. And V, L, D are never used for subtraction. Number 5 is write from the largest to smallest. We can start Roman numbers in descending order. For example, 267. This can be written as 200 is represented by 100 plus 100, C plus D. Then 60, 50 plus 10, LX. Then 7 is for VII. So 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, 2. So always writing in descending order. Rule number 6 is no more than 3 symbols represented in a single row. For example, CCC. Maximum 3 we can represent in a single row, which is 300. We cannot write CCCC. This is wrong. This should be CD. D is for 500. C is 100 less than 500. For 400 we can write CD, and we cannot write C 4 times. This one is wrong. So let's practice few questions. We will convert few numerals to the Roman numbers. Example 1 is converting numerals to the Roman number 14. Okay, 14 is 10 plus 4. For 10, X is there. For 4, IV. So for 14, the representation will be XIV. Next example is 47. 40, we are representing 50 minus 10. 50 we have L. For 50 we are 50 we are representing by L. And 50 minus 10, which is 40, XL, plus 7, 5 plus 2, VII. So for 47, the Roman numeral will be XLVII. For 202, for 200 we are representing it by C plus C, 100 plus 100, C plus. For 2, we are directly representing it by II. So for 202, it will be CCII. One more example I will show you, 999. 999. For 900, this is 1000 minus 100, which is CM. 90, 10 minus 100. 10 minus 100, which is XC. And for 9, 10 minus 1, IX. So for 999, the representation will be CM XCIX. Now we will convert few Roman numbers to the numbers. For example, L, X X I X. L X X. L is for 50. X X 50 plus 20 70. I X is for 9. So it will become 79. So L X X I X is for 79. Next question is M C M I V. We have to convert this Roman number to the numeral. So M is for 1000, 1000 plus CM. M is for 1000, C is 100 less than 1000, which is 900, plus IV is for 4, 1 less than 5, 4. So this will become 1904. This is the correct answer. So these are the questions. This, and now you know all the Roman numerals, rules, and repetition, addition, subtraction, everything in between. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Thank you.